Welcome to another FSD beta video here. It's a shame there. We just blocked the whole intersection, blocked that whole turn, and we're off. A little hesitation there. It wants to go, but there's just a bit of traffic to contend with here. Wasn't sure there if it was going to just launch. Okay, it's clear. I'm giving it some acceleration. It's having trouble finding the lane markers there. Made a little minor adjustment there to avoid hitting the crosswalk sign there. Appreciate that. Just a little light snow here. Oh, a little flick of the wheel there. That truck freaked out autopilot or FSD a little bit there. Just did a little bit of a 1 mile per hour pause there, briefly. Could have been anything really, to be honest. I have the windshield wipers set to auto right now, which means that they cannot be disabled unless I flick off FSD for a moment to adjust them. This is the first snowfall sprinkling of snow we've gotten this season, this year in Wisconsin, so kind of exciting to see here. This particular car does have all-wheel drive, so it performs really well in the snow. Kind of a cautious acceleration here. I actually don't mind it at all considering the conditions. There's 2 lanes, so if people don't like it, they can go around us. It's not a big deal. Now, if the snow does pick up a little bit more than this, I would imagine the FSD will turn off. Give some sort of error. Try again later or something. But right now it seems more rain-like than snow-like. Little speed up, 2 speed blips there. Kind of a super minor one, and then another one that dropped us down, I believe it did like 52 miles per hour. But now we're back up to speed. We're clear, so I'm nudging it through. Do not appreciate how fast we're going there. Let's take over here. Even under normal conditions, I would not proceed to bomb the roundabout like that. Braking really hard here. Like it was due to a speed change to 45, just totally fine. See, all in all, yeah, roundabouts, one of the most unnerving road intersections when it comes to FSD. They're just, like, car likes to bomb them sometimes, just rips, and you just can't tell if it's going to slow down enough. And with the weather the way that it is, I wouldn't want a chance skidding there, going fast. See right there, that would have been a situation where the old basic autopilot feature would have slammed on the brakes quite harshly at the time that the car was in the middle of the lane there, middle of the road, pardon me. But FSD 10.4 does some pretty impressive stuff where it actually like does a better job predicting if it needs to apply aggressive braking or do nothing at all. And that was a situation where like just did a solid job of determining that the car would be out of the lane. Now, if that car would have been going a little bit slower, we might have been braking really hard. So I'm sure that tolerance is really tight. They're doing a really great job. I would say that is a huge improvement from when I first got the car. It would just, I would just turn off autopilot. I'd flick the shifter up and just interrupt it, because the car would just rip on the brakes if somebody did that. Even when the car wasn't anywhere near you, it would do that. So they've gotten a lot better. Nothing. See? Yeah. okay. We just braked really hard there after the intersection. That's something that I've been wanting to get on camera. I have an odd behavior. I'm not sure. Going through a yellow light, you get right past the intersection and then it just decides, let's stop. But overall, I feel like this drive's pretty impressive. I think it's doing an excellent job. That was a little off there. We did a little bit of a brake there. I'm not sure if it was related to that car turning. There's just been, there's just a few little phantom brakes here and there on this stretch of road. I'm curious what the other beta testers are doing. Are you like, would you report something like that? Would you report a phantom brake situation and have that record a little clip and have it send to Tesla, or do you only use it for like major issues? Phantom braking isn't great. It can be dangerous, but it isn't stopping us from getting to our destination right now. We're still getting there. So it's not like it's not a make or break, but if it's a hard enough brake, obviously it becomes an issue with someone behind you. All in all, I think FSD is getting incrementally better. I don't think this is like leaps and bounds better than 10.3.1 or 10.3 from my experience, but the way that they're finally tuning that front collision detection to brake is getting better and better and better. I am seeing that, like, I'm experiencing less issues with cars crossing in front of me and having the car just like get on the brake really, really hard, or at all in some cases. I've had some pretty tight encounters, and it must register this. It's registering the speed of the car crossing in front of you so well that it's like, we got this. We don't need to do anything, which is awesome. I think I really love it. Thanks for watching this video up to this point. If you enjoy this sort of thing, hit the subscribe button. I also, from time to time, do drone videos. So be sure to hit the notification bell, and see you in the next one. Ooh, this is interesting. That was interesting. It seemed to put the blinker on. We couldn't make a right turn. Now it just continued on.